Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to schedule Microsoft exams. So we've got an exam voucher and I'm going to use it to show you how to schedule your exam. So if you got a voucher or you have any link at all for discounts for Microsoft, this is how to schedule the exam. And if you don't, then make sure you're subscribed to my channel, as I'll be showing you how to get free exam voucher, free cybersecurity exam voucher, be it AWS, Microsoft, GCP, Cisco, any exam voucher of your choice. Always tell me in the comment section of my videos that you need a particular exam voucher, and I'm going to be showing you how to get it. As you can see on my screen, I have the AZ500 exam pending, already scheduled, and I'm going to show you in this video how to schedule the exam using another 100% exam voucher that I got. So if you're someone that is interested in getting exam vouchers and you're interested in getting cybersecurity certifications and you don't have the money for it, then make sure you are subscribed to my channel, the notification button is on, then you've liked my video, and also very important, you let me know the exam voucher you are looking for, and from the number of requests, I'm going to do a video for that specific exam voucher. Now let's go ahead and start. Now we've got the voucher for AZ104, and if you want to schedule an exam for any exam that you want to schedule, the first thing you are going to do is to search for the exam, search for the exam code. If you, for example, got a voucher for SE900, you're going to search for SE900. For this instance, you got AZ104. Now we are going to go over here and search for AZ104. Then it's going to bring different results. Make sure you are clicking on the one with Learn Microsoft. Now we click on it and it's going to take us to the certification page for this AZ104. We are trying to schedule for the Azure Administrator Associate, right? Now you just scroll down till you get to the place where they'll ask you to schedule exam. This is the place. Then you select your desired country. This place doesn't really matter, the country is just to get the price for the exam. It doesn't affect anything. So as you could see, I'm selecting Finland because currently that's where I am. So I'm going to schedule the exam. Now it's going to ask for your address details. Now this place is quite important, as this is the information that they are going to check if you want to write the exam. They are going to check if this information match with the credentials you are with. And also this place matters should, in case your exam goes wrong, this is where they could contact you. So I'm going to go ahead and fill this. Now I've filled in my details and I'm going to go ahead and click on submit. Now it's taking me to the Pearson VUE website where I'm going to schedule this exam. Now for this exam, we have two options. We have the option of in person at a test center. I'm going to show you how to do this, and I'm also going to show you how to schedule for the OnVUE. Actually, I'm scheduling for the OnVUE because I want to write this particular exam from the comfort of my home. I don't want to stress myself going to the exam center. So I'm going to duplicate this tab to show you. I'm going to duplicate this tab to show you for the two. Right now, let's first of all do for the in-person test center, that's Pearson VUE. Now once you select it, you just click on next. Everything here is basically going next. You select your language, you just keep going next, keep going. You accept everything and click on I accept, and yes, I will abide by the rules. You select everything, click on I agree. Then it's going to pop out locations. It's going to pop out locations. Now you select the location closest to you. Let's go with this, for example. Click on next. There are no available days. Okay, now let's find another test center. Let's go with this. Actually, you can select more than one test center. Let's select this. I think the maximum is 3, so let's select 3. Let's select 3, this and this. then we can now easily shuffle between centers. So if you're having a problem with availability of test dates, you could see the way I'm shuffling between centers and I can see availabilities. Right now, if you are to select 30th, you explore times, you see various times, 11, you can choose 11, book these appointments. Then it's going to take you to the page where it will ask you to pay, proceed to checkout. You can choose to checkout here, but then remember we are using a promo code. You can then apply your promo code here, and you can see 100% off. Now we are going to write this exam for 100% free, and like I said, if you're interested in getting free resources, free cybersecurity exam vouchers and project ideas in cybersecurity, make sure you are subscribed to my channel, make sure you're always commenting on my video, and I'll keep on posting more, I'll keep on pushing more free resources in cybersecurity for you. Now we are not going to proceed with this because we are not going for the in-person test center. You are not going for the in-person test center. So let's go ahead and close this tab and start again for OnVUE. Now you're going to select OnVUE, then go ahead to click on next, keep going next. You select your language, English, then next. If your language is Portuguese, Spanish, you can select it. Chinese, you can select it. So go ahead and click on next. Then you are going to find instructions on how we are going to write the OnVUE, because basically you are writing this from home, so you need to go ahead and go through the instructions and go through everything, the guidelines. So you be sure that you have all the guidelines, then you go ahead and read the required documents, because before the exam, now I'm talking to those that want to write this particular exam from home or remotely without going to a test center. You have to read this to know the type of ID you are required to bring or to present to the camera, because basically you'll be scanning or you'll be showing the camera that your ID basically. So is this my time zone? Yes, you can confirm your time zone. Then we are going to choose a date for our exam. You can go ahead and choose Tuesday. Let's go with Tuesday. What time on Tuesday? Let's go with only one time is left, 10:15, then 12 o'clock to 2:15. So we are going to select a time. I think we can just go with 1 a.m. then 1 a.m. is fine. Let's continue. So if you're going to select 1 a.m., make sure you stay awake so you don't sleep off when it's time for exam. And make sure if you are choosing 12 hours, be sure which one is AM and PM. That's why I went for 24 hours basically, so I won't confuse myself with 2 a.m. and 2 p.m. or maybe 1 a.m. and 1 p.m. So it's very important, if you are using a 12-hour time pattern, then be sure of the AMs and the PMs so you don't miss your exam. Now we are going to go ahead and click on proceed. Now we have to add our promo code. If you don't have a promo code, then you can select your payment method here. You can select your payment method here. And for some of us that comes in from countries where maybe that has been blacklisted countries, some African countries, the one I know of, are blacklisted. And the way you can go about this is call your exam center. Right now, if you could remember, we saw different exam center initially when we did for in-person test center. We saw different exam centers. Now I'm talking to those that watch this video up until this point and still want to maybe pay for exams with payment card and it's not working. Maybe you don't have credit card or Amex card, or depends on the one you don't have, and you don't have a voucher as well. What you can do is go through that way, then find those exam centers, look for them on their website, maybe just browse them on their website. You're going to get a phone number then get that phone number, call them and tell them that you want to schedule an exam, and they will help you. It always works. It always works. So but for me, I have a voucher, and if you need vouchers, make sure you're following my videos, then comment in this video the voucher you want, and I'm going to do a video for you. Now we click on next. As you can see, minus 126 euros, that's 100% discount strategy exam FY20 have been applied. Now I'm going to go ahead and submit this order, and I'm going to get an email that my appointment is confirmed. I'm going to get an email that my appointment is confirmed. Then I can go ahead and run a system test. It's important that you run a system test. It's going to tell you if your system can do the exam. If not, you can get a different laptop, and it will also tell you if the internet bandwidth is fine, and if it's not fine, you can go ahead and get more subscription or change your plan or change your internet, improve on your internet. So thanks so much everyone for sticking around to the end of this video. Remember to follow me, remember to like this video and comment the exam voucher you are looking for, and I'm going to do a video for you on that. So I think this brings us to the end of our video. Make sure you turn on the notification bell as well, so you'll be notified on the next video I will be dropping.